G'day folks, it's Boy Chan here from NeoWin again, and today I am unboxing the Lenovo ThinkPad L380 Yoga. This is my first laptop, or convertible for that matter, that I'm reviewing for the channel. But as a longer term Surface Pro 3 owner, I'm kind of interested to see what the two-in-one category has to offer as far as alternatives are concerned. Anyway, let's get straight into the unboxing here. And I think this is perhaps aimed more at the business segment, given the packaging. But let's just get everything out of the box first. So yes, that is indeed everything. Put that to one side. So first up we have the charger, and if I look here, it's a 65 watt charger and it has a USB Type-C connector there. So, and I'll need an adapter for that because that's for an American socket, but anyway, that's fine. As far as what else is in the box, let's see, setup guide and safety and warranty. So I'll read those carefully later on. And well, really, the only other thing left is the ThinkPad itself. So that's a look at the front there. We'll just go round. That's the front. So on the left side, so we have two USB Type-C ports. Can we get in focus? There we go. So that first one there is for charging, but yeah, these are both USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. That's a so Type-C, Type A, also USB 3.1 Gen 1, and an HDMI output. On the back there, that's just a vent there. And on the right hand side, so I think this is a pen. Yes, it is a pen. So great to see pen support and pen included for that matter. Again, being a Surface Pro 3 user, I quite enjoy using the pen on that device, so I'll see how this goes. Power button, I think with an LED status indicator. 3.5mm audio jack. That's an SD card slot, probably a micro SD. Another USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A slot. An Ethernet port there, you'll probably need an adapter for that, and a Kensington lock. So let's just open up the device here. Now, I know after looking at the specs, it is capable of including fingerprint and facial recognition. I don't believe the unit I've been sent supports either of those. But while I just cover some more of the specs here, I'll just fire it up, assuming that there's some juice left in there, and it does appear to be the case. So as far as this particular unit is concerned, it can be configured with up to an 8th gen Intel Core i7 CPU. This one has an i5 8250U quad-core CPU, pegged at 1.6 gigahertz. It can turbo boost up to 3.4 gigahertz though, if required. Let's see. You can see it's pretty snappy there already. This unit comes with 8 gig, and that's just one stick of RAM, but you can put up to 32 gigabytes in there. I also believe that this includes a 256 gig, yeah, that looks about right there, 256 gig M.2 PCI Express NVMe SSD, and we have a 13.3 inch full HD display there with LED backlighting, and that's powered by Intel HD Graphics 620, or it can also be a UHD Graphics 620. I guess just rounding out the major specs here, it does also include dual band Wi-Fi up to the 802.11ac spec, and because we've got USB Type-C in here, that does mean we can do well, some pretty cool things as far as recharging are concerned. But with this unit, you can rapid charge up to 80% within an hour via the Type-C port. And yeah, there's a 45 watt hour battery installed. But as far as inputs are concerned, you've got your standard trackpad here. You've got your, I think they call it the track point here. To be honest, I've never been a big fan of it, but you know, I'll give it a try and see how it works. But we also have a touch responsive screen here, and it does support 10-point multi-touch. And being a yoga, you can yeah, sure, why not? Let's go to tablet mode. You can put it into tablet mode, and yeah, when it is in this mode, the keys don't retract into the base as some of the other ThinkPad models do, but you know, it does ignore any random button presses you might, you know, happen to do on the back while you're holding it. Otherwise, I guess we can just put it into tent mode as well, and yeah. So there we go. That's the unboxing, and yeah, I guess, you know, a little bit of a preview of the Lenovo ThinkPad L380 Yoga. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be working on my review of this unit in the coming weeks. But as always, thanks for watching.